that had the broken hammer. See, there it is. There's a broken hammer. Now, what I have discovered is that the most common hammers for this revolver, they don't actually fit. So you have to be very careful, making sure that you have the right geometry. Assuming you have the old one, you see how it's broke off there. And there's the replacement one. So eBay is run amok with these, but if it doesn't have this little pointed end on the firing pin, it's broken, or it's the wrong one. So here we are. I've taken this down so far. I've taken the spring out, taken the grips off, not in any that particular order. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to feed this I'm looking for my flashlight, but I don't think you'll be able to grab that, see that. But kind of feed it kind of like that. I know there's not a whole lot of videos on the interwebs doing maintenance on these antique revolvers. Well, here's one. Join me on this struggle bus. See, now I have okay. So you can see I pulled the trigger and now it's in. I need to make sure that it's set there. And now I can put the set screw back in, and making sure that the firing pin lines up with where the primer will go. And if there's some professional gunsmiths that are watching me like, oh, please don't do that, please stop, just stop, leave a comment. I'd appreciate it. I can take this out and I can show you on this where the firing pin is. So the firing pin goes, through that hole right there. Just making sure that it lines up to see how it comes through. So now it's mostly lined up, and see now this is lined up. Come on, line up. If I pull the trigger, see if it will. I just lined it up with the firing pin hole. And looking for my pivot screw. Okay, let's see. I'm pushing this and see if it will. Okay, good. Let's see if I pull it back. If it will. Okay, double action works. Good. See how that's working out. So I'm simulating double action. Single action, I think I have to wait until I install the spring. Now the hard part has been installing this spring. And on the inside, this won't. Doesn't really line up quite right. But this leaf goes inside here. Let's come in through the other side, see if that works. Not quite there yet. This is not working out for me, guys. If I was a real gun tuber, this would probably be the time when I would say, get into gunsmithing and go to sdi.edu. Maybe I should use a bench vise. Maybe online gun schools have their place. I just am not of a particular fan. Maybe I should be. Maybe I should go to gunsmithing school. But this for me is a hobby. I intend for it to remain a hobby. Yeah, if some family members bring me their guns, to work on. Okay, I'm simulating as if there's a firing pin there, and that's completely locked up, so that's not working out. Okay. Yeah, that is not working out. If I push this in some more, maybe it'll work. Well, I'm looking at the timer on this video at 10 minutes in, and I haven't finished putting this gun back together. Thankfully, all this material is underneath the grip, but nobody is ever going to see. Yeah, it's all locked up. That's completely locked up. Right. Okay. All right, y'all. This is a wisdom of the crowd situation now. What do I do now?